For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the.
All right, what's up, guys? It's Friday. We are getting ready to go pick up the Zephyr. So, as always, whenever I'm heading out on Fridays, things have, how could you say, gotten out of hand on the scheduling. And I'm later than I wanted to be anyways. So make sure I don't have everything. Okay, so before I lock it. So got all the way out to the interstate after filling up and had to get Cashy some food, and realized I didn't get the money to pay my buddy Chris for working on the Zephyr. Then I realized the one thing he asked me to do, because I do plumbing on the daily, was I'm changing some pieces out for him in his shop, and I told him I would buy them. So what did I do? I ran off and completely forgot them. I had planned on leaving at 3:30 today, and of course that didn't work out. I just stubbed my finger. Like, need to quit being in such a rush. But so Friday 2:30, I decided to, you know, be a good worker, take a work order, go with Steve. Ended up being over an hour, so it was past the 3:30 mark when I wanted to leave. Now here we are, got my parts, got everything headed toward Chris's. Oh, you know, only an hour. What was it, 4:30? 4:32. An hour later than I wanted to be. Hour later, always. Cash is back here. We brought the switch this time, but he needs to sit back, put a seatbelt on for me. You go and put a seatbelt on. It's on your left hand side. And we're finally heading out. The thing was, I left at 4 at least. No, it was before 4. It's like 3:45 whenever I was able to get in the truck. Taking me 45 minutes just to leave Princeton. Anyways, we are headed to Galax. My buddy Chris Cox has done some work on the Zephyr, and I'm going to show you guys what all he's done, keeping me safe, making things right, getting things situated for some no prep stuff. Big race that we are wanting to try and make is War in the Woods at Brown County Dragway in Indiana. That's our big one. I'm actually locked into it because it's far enough away, and I really want to go to that track and experience that anyways. So we are headed that direction. All right, I'm getting a phone call. We got all the safety. So we fixed, I say we, Chris fixed up, we got what? We fixed up all the holes in the firewall, hole in the trans tunnel, new funny car hoop, and then we added these bars to the cage to put some weight. I like this Ooh, I like your little, I like how you still solid mounted my relay back here. Or switch, whatever you call this thing. Fuse block. Huh?
The grounds and all needed a little help.
Did they? Well, that's good. I appreciate that. But we got, what is it, 150 pounds back here? 150 pounds with me not in it. 2765. And what is that? 51 point something? 51 point. I don't know. Y'all probably can't see that. What was it? Still 30-30 with me in it? I think I lost some weight.
No, you're not.
I think I lost some weight. I'm telling you. Maybe it's the hood. So, I'm pretty pumped. We're going to go in and paint this deal here for too long. So, y'all let me know what's the best stuff to paint this stuff with. We're going to get this gold out of here, even though I like it. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. We're going to roll this thing off and we're going to find out what this unit. This is Sue. Hey, I think your tint's dark enough. No, it's not that dark.
How's my bench seats?
Your bench seats. That's what you can do, is buy that Kirky bench seat and swap it out whenever you go racing. Why not? Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Alright. So we're going to try and fire this thing up in a minute. Pull her back in. I missed it. I missed this thing. Chris, are you public yet?
Nope.
Nope. Just what you want to do?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Awesome. We're all fixed up. Going to go, what's it called? 16 volt next. Then we'll be good to go. Nice. Nice. Are you laughing? What are you laughing about? Yeah, that door being off would be nice, wouldn't it? Look at there. Boom, baby. All right, we're here. Cashton needs McDonald's. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video out. Hold on, buddy, come here. Cannot say thank you to Chris Cox enough for getting the car in, getting some stuff done that I don't have the skill to do, nor the time. He probably doesn't have the time either, but he was able to squeeze it in. He made the car safer all the way around, and extremely big thank you to him for that. And nice time frame, all that good stuff. And so now it's time to test, boys. It is time to get it done and get the car on the street, and we're gonna make some licks in it. And yeah, so can you send us out? Can you tell them what to do?
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the